Hi everybody, I am wanting to show you our next exciting project. It is not a modernist project. We bought this 1940s post-war house, and I'm going to take you inside so you can see the before, and I'll probably take us about 6 months or so to work on it, but I'm excited. I'm excited that I don't have to do such a polished house, so check it out. I'm debating whether I should wear my mask or not. There's no one in here. We own the house, but it smells really badly. So I'm going to try to keep my mask off. Here we are. So you come in. It's kind of dark in here. Is it dark, Roger? We have no lights. Oh, sort of. This is, I guess, what should be a living room. There's a sweet little area in here that I really like. Kind of a sunroom office that looks out. The backyard's amazing. Wait till I take you out there. All right, so we're gonna walk through the house as quickly as we can. Roger will follow. So living, like I said, dining, I think, the stinky carpet. This is the kitchen, believe it or not. So look how this kitchen really needs some work, right? Some serious work. It's pretty bad in here. Look at where the fridge used to be. There's a kind of a crazy situation, this doorway that's not even 30 inches. And as we walk through the house and turn around, I guess this was a bedroom or is supposed to be a bedroom. Look at the carpet. Not good. And then there's a scary bathroom in here that I'm gonna have Roger show you guys. And then we can probably go through the bathroom to see the other room, which is kind of crazy. So this would be perhaps another bedroom or a family sitting room. Not sure what it is. There's no lighting in here. And then this was what they added, this pretty bad addition that was added, I guess, sometime in the 80s. Look at that bathroom, guys. Pretty outdated, pretty bad. There's a kind of a heating cooling system in here, not sure. Anyway, so this is pretty much it. The house has an amazing backyard, and it also has a basement. Let's go check out the basement real quick. So you have to walk through. You really can't be, kind of bigger than me to get through this little area here. I don't know if there's any lighting in the basement. Don't think there is, but we'll try to, yep, there is. And if you hit your head, you can't be taller than me either. Woo. It smells really bad down here, so oof. But this is the basement. We're gonna do something with it because it's on grade. And it's really, really pretty. And I'm not sure if can we get out this door to get outside? Yep. Sort of. Nope. It doesn't. It's stuck. Look at that. Woo. All right, let's go see outside. And just so you know, look how low this carport is. It's supposed to be a carport, and I'm 5'2" and I can touch it. But look at this amazing backyard. It's so beautiful. All right, so hopefully we'll take you on this journey. We're going to take you on this journey to renovate this house proper. See you next time.